Okay guys, now I will explain about MBBS life which occurs in 5.5 years. Okay, now in the first year, which will be about 12 months, it has three subjects. First one is anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. Now in anatomy we have again different parts. Upper general anatomy, histology and neuroanatomy, and other parts are upper limb, lower limb, abdomen and pelvis. So now the best books which we used during our first year is Gray's Anatomy for the anatomy part, which is the best book for anatomy is Gray's Anatomy, which is the best and standard book. And next, best book for biochemistry, it is Harper's textbook. Okay, it is the best book. Next, best book for physiology, it is Guyton. It is the bestest book for physiology. Okay, physiology makes the base for learning medicine, pathology and other different other higher year subjects. Okay, so Guyton's textbook is a standard book for physiology. Next, other books. So these are the standard books. Other than standard books, which books are like easy to read. So these books are like we can read in 1 month like that. Okay, so these are easy books, which are Sembulingam. Sembulingam is for biochemistry. Sembulingam actually we can use before university exams. Okay, and GK Paul. GK Paul also is a very good book, but Sembulingam is for like reference. Not reference, but for like university exams. Remember it. Then for anatomy we can use BD Chaurasia. BD Chaurasia is the best book along with Grace. Other than that we can use Vishram Singh. Vishram Singh is also better like for university exams. Okay. Next, for biochemistry, other books are like other than Harper's textbook. Okay, other than Harper's textbook for biochemistry, Satyanarayana is better. Okay, Satyanarayana we can use for university exams also. Next, going to the second year of the MBBS. Okay, actually second year is for 14 months. Okay, it is the longest year in the MBBS part. Okay, in second year also we have three subjects. Okay, first year is for 12 months, but second year is for 14 months. In second year we have three subjects which are pharmacology, pathology and microbiology. So guys, as I completed my first year, second year and third year, so I can tell you about the subjects and the books which are best. Okay, now in microbiology, Anantanarayana is the standard book. Okay, and even our teachers, like our professors, used to say that Anantanarayana is the best book and you have to refer only Anantanarayana. And for pathology, Robbins. Okay, Robbins is like a Bible for pathology. It is the best book for pathology. Next, coming to the pharmacology. In pharmacology, our professors used to say that read KDT. Okay, KDT is the best and standard book for pharmacology. So these are the standard books. Other than the standard books which we use for like short period of time before university exams, we can use them. These are like Schanberg for pharmacology, and Schanberg is very nice book. Okay, but in Schanberg they don't give that classification book, so we have to take that from KDT. Now in pathology we used to read about like diagrams are best in Harshmohan. Okay, H&D diagrams. Okay, other than Harshmohan, another book is like Ramdas Nayak. Okay, Ramdas Nayak is also a very best book, but Ramdas Nayak it is like a short reference book from Robbins. Everything is like Robbins. Okay, in Ramdas Nayak. And other than that, microbiology we used to read Apurva Shastri. It is also a very good book, but Anantanarayana is standard. Okay, you can refer Anantanarayana for basics. Now coming to the third year. Third year is also for 12 months. Only second year is the longest. But actually previously we used to have 4 subjects in third year. But now it changed. Okay, you know, only 2 subjects are there in third year. Previously we used to have 4 subjects. So now the 2 subjects are forensic medicine okay forensic medicine and toxicology, and community medicine, which is also called as SPM. Actually, Actually, community medicine teachings will be like community medicine classes will be started from first year only, but we get the like community medicine subject we have to read from first year only. Okay, but the subject according to university it is on in the third year. Okay, the next forensic and toxicology standard book is K.S. Narayan Reddy. It is very good book. Next, in for community medicine, okay, KSN book is very best book. For community medicine, we get like K Park. Okay, Park book is very like it's very vast book, vast content, but it forms the basic part. So we have to refer first the basic part from this book, Park book, which is a standard book. Then other books are like Mudabir. We used to read Mudabir before like university exams because it is easy to read with less content, not very vast as in K.S. Narayana Reddy. And in community medicine, we used to read SIA. SIA is a reference book for university exams. Okay, now coming to the fourth year, even fourth year is for 12 months and it becomes the final year part 2. Okay, third year is the final year part 1 and fourth year is the final year part 2. It is of 12 months. Next, 12 months in third year, final year part 1, and this is final year part 2. In final year part 2, now we are going to have total of 11 subjects. Yes, we have to read 11 subjects in the final year. In this, there are major subjects and minor subjects. Okay, those 11 subjects are ENT, ophthalmology, and surgery, medicine, and obstetrics and gynecology. So there are 11 subjects. Previously used to be 9 subjects, but now there are 11. Pediatrics. Next, others are like dermatology and radiology and psychiatry. Okay, psychiatry is also we have to read it in the final year, but it is a minor subject. Radiology, dermatology, psychiatry, these are the minor subjects. Okay, major subjects are like gynecology, obs and gynecology, medicine, surgery, ophthalmology, ENT. Coming to the next, emergency medicine. Okay, so there are 11 subjects totally. One we left is orthopedics. Orthopedics is also we have to read in final year. So after final year, actually after final year, either we have to write the final university exam, or if they announce about next, then there will be next part 1. Okay, so after the exam, if we get if we get passed out, then we have to do internship in the 5th year, and we are going to do internship in the same college, same hospital. In internship we don't have to give any college fees or anything, but instead of that we will get stipend. Okay, which is like salary for the interns. So it is a positive point, but we don't get that much. Or in government colleges we will get that in like 3-4 months, not regularly, but we will get. Okay, next, coming to the next part, NEET PG exam. There will be a NEET after internship. There will be NEET PG exam, or if they announce about next, then we will be going to write next part 2. Next part 1 is after final year part 2. Okay, next part 2 is after internship. Okay, it can be NEET PG exam or next, so it will be decided by the higher officials. Next, NMC. Okay, next after NEET PG exam, if we get selected, it is also like NEET UG exam. There will be selection, there will be like counseling, allotment. Okay, so then we have to do MD or MS for 3 years. Then finally we can practice medicine in India. Okay, but if we want to study more, if you want to study more like cardiologist, neurologist you want to become, so you have to go for NEET SS. Okay, NEET super specialty exam. There will be after 3 years of PG course. Okay, it is optional for those who want to be like read more. Okay, it is also for 3 years. Finally, then a person will become a good. Finally, then a person will become a good or like best doctor. So totally it takes 12 years.